I know this one will interest you a lot. It's day 15 of the Content Plays 21 Days Brand Content Strategy. And today we'll be educating you on white balance and temperature. White balance refers to adjusting colors in an image to make white appear truly white, regardless of lighting condition. Temperature is measured in Kelvin and affects the warmth or coldness of a photo. High Kelvin creates cooler tones, while lower Kelvin results in warmer tones. A lower Kelvin value, e.g. 2500 Kelvin to 4000 Kelvin, indicates warmer, while a higher Kelvin value, e.g. 5000 Kelvin to 7000 Kelvin, signify cooler. Adjusting white balance involves setting the temperature to match the color temperature or the light source, ensuring accurate and natural looking colors in a final image or video. Also, adjusting white balance allows you to correct the color case caused by the different light source and ensure color appear natural. Comment camera if there are other cameras terminologies you want us to explain. We are always happy to help you out. That is all for now. See you next time, and remember, never stop creating.